What's up guys, it's your girl Leslie, your favorite YouTube lesbian. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today is another edition of Followers Friday. If you do not know what that is when I choose a Instagram follower of mine at random and choose a random look of theirs, like just kind of scroll and boop, whatever you land on, that's what I'm stuck doing. So this is where we landed. If you want to see who the follower is today, then just keep on watching. And if you're new here, hey, I'm Leslie. Welcome. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell so you don't miss when I upload, and give the video a thumbs up. Also, if you want to be considered for the next Followers Friday, make sure that you are following me on my beauty Instagram. I will leave that down below. Head over there and give me a follow. All right, let's get started. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Followers Friday is in full effect. Super excited. And do you see who's making her debut today? Yep, she's pretty much done. So I wanted to wear her today just to kind of get a feel of how she sits on my big ass head, you know? So far, so good. Oh, and this, I don't know. I woke up with that. Maybe I have pink eye. I live with small children, so it's possible. Anyway, let me get back on track, okay? So today's follower, let me grab my notes. Today's follower goes by the Instagram handle Sailing Soulfully. Her name is listed as Jack. I had to laugh though when I saw her bio, because it says curator of basic eye looks. Like, girl, your eye looks are not basic. You have completely mastered the cut crease. Your use of color is gorgeous. There ain't no basic about you. Okay. She does have a look on her page that I really liked. The color combo, it was like a purple and a teal, and it looked glossy. I don't know. That's the second person that I've seen that, and I don't know what they're using. So girl, what are you using? Let me know. So this is the look we've landed on today. It kind of reminded me of my Pride rainbow eye, which I'll go ahead and pop on the screen somewhere. But this one was a lot faster and a lot easier. And I still don't have my fucking shadow shields. I think Wish is, I don't know, it's probably lost in China somewhere. So today we're going to be working out of the Alyssa Edwards x Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, as well as the 3 neon pigments from Mermaid Scale Cosmetics. Her pigments are bomb. She's a small little Instagram company. I will link her as well. We're going to be using the color Alien, which is the green. We're going to use Saturn, which is the yellow, and Cobalt, which Avi is the blue. We gotta do the Happy Friday dance. Okay, here's the thing with that though. Now that I'm using new editing software, I don't know if I can, like, you know how I made it look like the club with my Happy Friday dance? I'm gonna have to see if it has any effects like that, because otherwise it's just not gonna be the same, you know? You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna do it anyway. Ready? A 1 and a 2 and a... It's Friday. Oh yeah, it's Friday. Yeah. Oh my god, I haven't done that in so long. It felt so good. Let's do this, yeah? Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyelids and carve out my brow. Today I'm using the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. These creases off. This stuff is so thick. It makes for a wonderful base as well as a concealer. Have y'all been? What's the tea? What's the haps? Oh, craps is new with you. Yeah. I'm so cheesy. You know what's funny is I hate that shit too. Like dad jokes, I can't. Today is a Veterans Day, so all of the children are home, including Jordan, and he's got all his little friends over so they can work in the studio. Speaking of it being a Veterans Day, I want to send a huge shout out to all of my veterans out there. thank you so much for your service. I know you're going to be seeing this after the holiday, but I'm a military brat myself, and I just respect every single one of you. So thank you for your service. And I'm wearing my flag sweater too. Yeah, enough monkey business. So I did something a little different with the top part. I went ahead and set just the top half of the base because the purple that we're using, she has it on there pretty, you know, like soft and lightly. It's not like a neon pigment. So I'm setting this because I want it to glide on and not get stuck. Does that make sense? So now that I've posted a few videos using the different software, what do you guys think? Like, I want the tea, I want feedback, I want quality, I need it all. Tell me. It's super fun. I love it now that I'm used to it, but like, I probably see something different than you guys, so yeah, I need your feedback. Okay. Dipping into the Alyssa Edwards palette, we're gonna go in with a mix of a Unicorn Tribe and BBDC. Those are the two purples. And you guys, I totally spaced on the whole Fallout issue, and I went and like heaved on the yellow first and had it like all down my fucking face. I was like, oh yeah. No shadow shields. God, my eye. What the fuck, yo? Grabbing a little bit of BBDC by itself, so I want to deepen it up a little bit. And because this is so quick and easy, I'm gonna just go ahead and cut the crease now and keep on keeping on instead of leaving you guys. I'm using the same concealer on a small Luxie Precision Crease brush, number 246. Here we go. Have any of you who bought any of the Shane Dawson Jeffree collab gotten your stuff yet? I'm seeing the influencer reviews and stuff on it, but I'm not seeing like the smaller influencers review it yet, so I'm wondering if they got it or not. I got a email saying that mine's on the way, so I'm stoked about that. Alright, that's about as good as we gonna get with that. Now comes the fun part. And notice, again, didn't set the base. We want the yellow to be like, let out, and the blue to be like, ha, and the green to be like, hey, like that. When I use this particular yellow pigment, it always looks like it's almost like green, like a lime green color in person, but then when I look at it in pictures, it definitely is yellow. So I don't know if it's gonna like be thrown off in the colors of this video, but it's yellow, I promise. Bring it all the way up. I always feel like a fucking jazzercise instructor when I talk like that. Bring it all the way up and breathe down. Yeah, girl, I know all about it. All right, that's good for first round. Ding, ding, ding. Moving on to the green. I'm not blending them together yet, as you can tell.
Be careful not to go over the cut crease line.
And as far as blending the two together, what I like to do instead of rubbing is I like to pat and kind of shake it side to side, you know? Like your ass when you're twerking. Like that. for the blue. Outer corner. Just love these colors together. All of this extra blue out here obviously is going to be gone with concealer, so don't fret. I'm going to do the same thing to blend these two together. Just pat and jiggle, pat and jiggle, or wiggle, whatever you want to say. Okay, now I'm going to go backwards. This way we make sure that everything is blended. Now I have very crepey eyelids, so I'm also making sure that I'm getting it into the creases and the crevices. Okay, let's go back to the original brush. If I could find it. Ha! And go back over the purple just to clean up the crease line. Oh my god, you guys, guess what? So, I'm always self-conscious about my teeth. I have an overbite. Always have. Had braces when I was a kid. But I was a thumb sucker, so my teeth moved back. And they're getting worse. Still moving. So I went to the little Smile Direct Club thing, you know, those Invisaliners, for a consult, and I qualify. So my liners are being made and shipped to me, and in 5 months, the overbite will be gone. I'm so happy. Like, you guys don't even know. A lot of you guys probably don't even know that I have one, because I have trained myself how to smile to hide it. But that's also why you don't see me smile a lot in my pictures. It's something I'm like super self-conscious about. So that's exciting news from my end of the world. Okay, what else should we do? I think we need to maybe darken this purple just a smidgen. As I'm looking at it. So I'm just gonna take a dip into BBDC. So it really just needs it like up here. Gently. Gently. Blend that in. Cool. Okay, so that's it for the eyeshadow. I'm going to finish off the rest of my face and I'll be back. All right, you guys, this is the finished look. What do we think? So I know she didn't have lashes on, but you guys know how this works. I have to wear my lashes. I didn't pick ones that were like too dramatic. I chose the Style Tokyo from Shop Envy Me. You guys know the deal. Go save you some coin. Use my code PRETTY10. I got you. Underneath the eyes, obviously I couldn't see if she had anything under her eyes, so I just improvised and smudged Beyond, which was the shimmery like pink color. I threw on a contour, bronzer, blush, highlight, of course. Highlight today, I went back into my Juvia's Place loose highlight in Nefertiti. Haven't used those for a while, so I was like, you know what? Today's the day. For lips, obviously I had to do a nude lip with all this going on. So I lined with my Makeup Revolution liner in Bow Down. I am wearing Anastasia's liquid lip in Starfish. I was gonna top it with some gloss, but I'm thinking I like it matte right now. This lash is being wonky. Okay. Anywho, spritz. You know the deal. Gerard Cosmetics Slight All Day Setting Spray in Coconut. My favorite. So that is it for this week's Followers Friday. Make sure that you head over to Sailing Soulfully's, I had to double check, Sailing Soulfully's Instagram page. God, that's hard to say. Show her love. Show me some love too. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Turn on your bell so you know when I upload, and give the video a thumbs up if you haven't already. All right, you guys, I'll see you in my next one. Have a good weekend. Bye.